Ever wondered how important ground covers are for erosion control and weed suppression? Ground covers are nature's armor, safeguarding our soils from erosion and acting as a robust barrier against pesky weed growth. Now let's dive into the top 5 ground covers that are most effective for these purposes. Our first ground cover is the creeping thyme. Renowned for its hardiness and drought resistance, this plant shines during its flowering period. Its dense growth provides excellent erosion control and weed suppression. That's why creeping thyme is a popular choice among gardeners. Next on our list, we have the sweet woodruff. This delightful ground cover thrives in the shade, boasting fragrant leaves and charming white flowers. Its real strength? Suppressing those pesky weeds and stabilizing your soil. So if you have a shady garden, sweet woodruff can be your best bet. Third on our list is the vinca minor. Known for its evergreen foliage and delightful blue flowers, this rapid grower is more than just a pretty face. Its effectiveness in controlling erosion and suppressing weeds makes vinca minor a beautiful and efficient ground cover. Fourth on our list is the sedum spurium. This plant's succulent leaves and drought tolerance make it ideal for tougher conditions. With vibrant flowers adding a dash of color, it excels in erosion control and weed suppression. In dry areas, sedum spurium can be a perfect ground cover. Last but not least, we have the moss phlox. Imagine a carpet of vibrant blossoms each spring with minimal upkeep. This plant is not only beautiful, but it's a warrior against erosion and weed invasion. For an easy-to-maintain ground cover, moss phlox is a great choice. So there you have it, our top 5 ground covers for erosion control and weed suppression. From the fragrant creeping thyme to the shade-loving sweet woodruff, the evergreen vinca minor to the drought-tolerant sedum spurium, and lastly, the vibrant moss phlox. All unique in their own way, but equally beneficial in maintaining a healthy and blooming garden. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!